15 numbered squares. Behind each square is a catchphrase. You've got just 60 seconds to get from the bottom to the top, but you can only move up a level once you've got a catchphrase right from the line that you're on. It does get tougher the higher up you go, but as you can see, the money goes up too. You make it to the top and answer the super catchphrase, and you will be taking home for your charity that £50,000. You'll notice that number 11, that is start. If you get that one right, then you will double the money that was won by Toya and Nicola earlier on. So you're not just paying for your charity now, you're paying for theirs too. Remember, just save it the seats, keep on guessing. If you get stuck on one, pass. Quick as you